Hindi ba bumabalik sa inyo yung kati minsan kung nandun kayo tapos shock kumati?
Meron yung time that's the hardest decision before, 2010.
Oo,
Kasi I have to sacrifice my career, I have to decide.
yeah.
But nung nag-decide na ako, I have to focus.
Hmm,
Wala na. Nung nagsi-champion na ako, sabi ko, champion na rin ako.
yes.
Ayan.
Ah, actually parang yun ang nakikita natin because we see fighters in the international stage kung saan parang napakahirap sila sa kanila yung mag-retire. And for you, I would say it's like pinanindigan mo na yung decision mo.
Yeah. Because yun nga, nilagay natin doon sa teamwork,
Teamwork.
team lakay.
Oo,
The success of one is success of all.
success of all.
So,
Exactly.
yun na lang yung sa akin. So, and once in my life, I've been an athlete.
Yes.
And naramdaman din natin feeling ng maging champion.
Yeah.
And I'm happy for them. And sa mga next pa na susunod na maging champions o maging successful dito sa career nila.